Hello, this is Copenhagen Enterprises. This is a video inspection of a 2002 T-190 Bobcat. It's got the 56 horsepower Kubota diesel in it. Take a picture of that. It's got 40 to 50% tracks on it. It's got 2,300 hours, 2310, and it's offered for sale on eBay. Look at the other side here. Take a look at the tracks. Comes with a nice smooth bucket. The thing operates really nice. It's in good condition as everything, no leaks or anything like that. Take a look at the operator's compartment. It's an open ROPS. It always seems to, on all the open ROPS machines, always seems to be rips in the seat, but that's the only thing I notice. That's where your butt goes anyway. One note, Maryland buyers, if they picked it up here in Maryland, they were going to use it in Maryland, they would have to pay 6% sales tax. Thank you for looking.